Hi everyone, Zoe from Owasco RV. Just wanted to come on here and show you the 2023 380 DQS. Let's go inside. So first we enter through this upgraded patio glass door that makes for some great lighting and also provides a lot of privacy. But one of the nice things is this unit is super unique because it is one of the very few units on the market that has a double bedroom in it, being a travel trailer. So just past our front bedroom, we come into the living room and entertainment area. We have this couch that also doubles as a bed, a sleeping space for small children. We also have the dinette that is currently folded down, where two adults can sleep comfortably as well. So if you come over here, you have like your residential kitchen area with your fridge, your microwave, your stovetop, as well as your dual sink and an oven. Now my favorite thing that makes this unit so amazing is our king bed master bedroom. It's a walk-around king bed. It has plenty of storage here and wardrobe, and this part actually doubles as a little desk. The nice thing about it is you have your exit right here, so both people that are sleeping in the front bedroom or the rear bedroom can easily exit. Again, this is the 2023 380 DQS. This is on sale as well as many other of our units. Come check them out here at Owasco RV.